Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran about the benefits of taqwa, that whoever has taqwa, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will provide that person from where that person does not even imagine. Whoever has taqwa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring them out of the difficulty that they're in. Whoever has taqwa, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create ease for them. Do you see that in the life of Yusuf alayhi salam? Yes. He was in the well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought him out. He was enslaved, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought him out of there. Right? The constant harm, the constant harassment basically of the woman. And then he's in jail and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brings him out of that. Did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provide him from where he did not even expect? Yes. Subhanallah. He had so much authority and so much power. He basically managed all of the harvest, the food supplies, their storage and their distribution. All of that, Yusuf alayhi salam managed that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in Surah Al-Talaq that وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. Whoever has taqwa of Allah, Allah will create a way out for him. وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبْ. And Allah will provide him from where he does not even expect. The person cannot even imagine. وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مِنْ أَمْرِهِ يُسْرًا. Whoever has taqwa of Allah, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will create ease for him in his affairs. Another benefit of taqwa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran that وَالْعَاقِبَةُ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. The good end is ultimately for who? For those who have the taqwa of Allah. And we see that in the life of Yusuf alayhi salam, that he is the one who was successful. Another benefit of taqwa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. The one who has taqwa of Allah is honorable near Allah. And Yusuf alayhi salam, who was he? Someone who was very, very honorable. When the Prophet ﷺ was asked about who is the most honorable of people, right? He said that, Yusuf, the son of the honorable, who was the son of the honorable, who was the son of the honorable, right? So Yusuf alayhi salam, honorable near Allah. The one who has taqwa of Allah, then Allah is their friend. Wallahu waliyul muttaqeen. That person is not alone. Allah is their friend. And we see that in the life of Yusuf alayhi salam, that he, even though people tried to put him in situations where he would be completely cut off and completely alone, was he ever alone? No, he wasn't. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was on his side, always helping him, always bringing him out of the difficulty that people tried to put him in.